Hello everyone, welcome back to another market review. This is a bit of a later one and it's a bit late for me, but I'm just going to do kind of a quick video running down today's trading day. I didn't take any trades personally, so I'll be just going over why. On the news events for the week, this is looking like a pretty lackluster week. There's only one news event, which is on Tuesday, tomorrow. And the rest is nothing, so maybe we could see some, less volatile price action throughout this week. Anyway, we're going to the analysis side of things. Still paying attention from this monthly fair value gap, how we've delivered very bullishly, and how we could possibly be seeing an internal range liquidity to external range liquidity type move. Now we go to the daily. So this is how price looked at, just before the open, and this is the bullish range that I'm paying attention to. We took our external range liquidity, and I was wanting to see price tap into this daily fair value gap. Now, we had a huge gap down, and we actually filled this gap before the day even started, basically. So that was the target met already. But so from here, I would like to see an intermediate time frame SMT, like a previous week low or day low SMT, to confirm we are in fact moving from this daily fair value gap higher. So this is the 90-minute chart. As you can see, we had this incredibly big gap down. I think it was like almost 400 points. We just gapped down, we tapped into that daily fair value gap, and we've been now responding and pushing higher. We don't have any previous day high nor previous day low SMT, so nothing to frame a long setup for today, and also nothing clear to frame short trade from. We don't seem to be reacting too bearishly off this new week opening gap. We've tapped into it and just kept on grinding higher and higher and higher. So honestly, didn't have the clearest of setups here, and as you can see in my game plan for today, I said, what is my bias for today? I said neutral. What's my invalidation? Unknown. Where in price will I look for trade? Unknown. Basically just showing that things weren't clear for me today. So that is a clear indication that I should just not trade for the day, come back tomorrow, and hopefully things are a bit clearer. So as you can see, is my plan clear and actionable? If not, it's a no trade day. Only my higher time frame bias is clear, and I'm leaning bullish as I put here. I put bullish here. But is intermediate time frame in alignment? No. And entry plan isn't clear and actionable, so these last two weren't ticked off. So honestly, nothing for me to do but just wait and see what happens. So now, looking at the end of the day, we can see that price completely delivered higher. We had a 700 point move today, which was insane, and now we're in this new bullish range on the 90-minute chart. So, and we now have this previous day high SMT right here. This is already showing to like Tuesday's previous day high SMT, but YM didn't take up previous day high, but ES and NQ did. That is already a possible framework to look for some sells back into the range, maybe to a fair value gap. So yeah, that's about it. Overall, a good day to stay out because things weren't clear, and come back tomorrow. Alright, don't think there's much else to add, so see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.